Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301862, and this is a 2022 Jeep Compass. And our color is red. So let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. All right, power locks, windows, mirrors, power driver's seat with lumbar support. Got our interior and exterior lighting control. Steering wheel features hands-free, stereo remote controls, and cruise control settings. We are satellite radio ready. Got our auto start stop, traction control, lane keep assist, advanced parking assist, electronic and dual climate control, USB ports, automatic transmission, parking brake, garage door openers, and our interior color is black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a full bench seat, a couple USB ports for our rear passengers, and a 60-40 split for you, just in case you need some more room. And onto our exterior, we've got our roof rack. We've got 19-inch Jeep rims. We've got the rear parking aid, a rear view camera, all of our cargo space. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301862. You've just checked out this red 2022 Jeep Compass. Thanks for watching.